Now, boys and girls, we did this question together, the 14 minus 6. But now I want you to take a look at this one over here. So if you can go close in on this one. Boys and girls, we're always going to start with the ones and then move to the tens. So these are the ones. Now I want you to take a look at this. You have 4, but you have to take away 6. If you only have 4 blocks, can you take 6 away? No. And what I do not want you to do not flip these around and say, well, then I'll just do 6 minus 4 and put 2. Do not do that. You only have 4. If you only have 4, you cannot take 6 away. So I do want to show you how to solve this using your place value mat. So our top number is 34. So over here, we are making 34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now my question is 34 minus 16. So I only have 4 in the ones spot, but I'm supposed to take away 6. This is what we can do. We are going to go next door to the tens and we're going to knock on their door and say, excuse me, tens, may we borrow one of your tens? And the tens are so kind. They always say, of course you may. So the tens slide back to the ones spot, but then they have to get taken back apart. So they're filling up the 10 frames. Okay, so now I still have 34, but I've slid 10 over to the ones. So now let's see if we can do that. Now I have 14 ones. Can I take away 6? Well, sure I can. I'm going to take away 6, and I'm taking them away. Now over at our board, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So the 4 has gone next door to the 10s and said, may I borrow one of your 10s? And the 3 says, of course you may. Now watch what happens. Right away, we're taking 1 away from the 3, and we have to make it into a 2 because we're taking 1 away. And where did that 1 go? It went over here to the 10s. So I'm just moving the 1 right beside the 4 right here. Not on this side because then it would be 41, but on this side. So then I have 14 minus 6, and we had 8. Now let's go back to our blocks. Let's not forget, we still have to, we took the 6 away from the 14, but now we have to take the 1 away from the 2. So we still have 2 10s left, and we have to take away 1. So we took away 1. And over here, 2, take away 1 equals 1. So my answer is 18. Let's just double check with our blocks to make sure that's what the answer is. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is called borrowing. We are borrowing a 10 when the top number of the ones is smaller than the number underneath it. That is when we borrow a 10. I hope this helps.